Hello everyone. Today we will take a look into our Earth. Our Earth is the only known planet where life can sustain. Do you know that Earth had two moons? Today we will talk about some interesting facts like this. The planet has a waistline. Mother Earth has a generous waistline. At the equator, the circumference of the globe is 24,901 miles. And at the equator, you would weigh less than if standing at one of the poles. Next, Earth is on the move. You may feel like you're standing still, but you're actually moving fast. Depending on where you are on the globe, you could be spinning through space at just over 1,000 miles per hour. People on the equator move the fastest, while someone standing on the North or South Pole would be perfectly still. Earth is old. Researchers calculate the age of the Earth by dating both the oldest rocks on the planet and meteorites that have been discovered on Earth. Earth is about 4.54 billion years old. The planet is recycled. The ground you're walking on is recycled. Earth's rock cycle transforms igneous rocks to sedimentary rocks, to metamorphic rocks and back again. The cycle continues. Our moon quakes. Earth's moon looks rather dead and inactive. But in fact, moon quakes, or earthquakes on the moon, keep things just a bit shook up. Quakes on the moon are less common and less intense than those that shake Earth. Hottest spot in Earth. The fiery award for Earth's hottest spot goes to El Azizi, Libya, where temperature records from weather stations reveal it hit 57.8 degrees Celsius on September 13, 1922 according to NASA Earth Observatory. The pole flip-flops. In fact, over the past 20 million years, our planet has settled into a pattern of a pole reversal. About every 200,000 to 300,000 years, as of 2012. During this lengthy stint, the magnetic poles start to wander away from the region around the spin poles, and eventually end up switched around, according to Cornell University astronomers. Earth had two moons that crashed to form one. Study suggests slamming into the other one. A titanic clash that could explain why the two sides of the surviving lunar satellite are so different from each other. A new study suggests the second moon around Earth would have been about 750 miles wide, and could have formed from the same collision between the planet and a Mars-sized object that scientists suspect helped create the moon we see in the sky today. The planet is filled with riches. These vast seas are rich, holding more than 20 million tons of gold. But don't grab your mining hat just yet. The metal is so dilute that each liter of seawater contains, on average, about 13 billionths of a gram of gold. Undissolved gold is also tucked away in rocks on the seafloor. And though there's not an efficient way of getting at that precious metal, there are other Earth-like planets. Kepler 22b. Finally, there are almost surely more planets like ours. Space scientists have found evidence of Earth-like planets orbiting distant stars. including an alien planet called Kepler 22b circling in the habitable zone of a star much like ours.